it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to be doing some roasted sweet potato cubes. Very simple recipe, and you want some olive oil, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. So what I'm going to do is we're going to get off here and peel and cube up these, and we'll bring you right back. Guys, first thing you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Alright, I got gloves on because this is messy. I'm going to add some olive oil. Start off with a little bit of garlic powder. All these seasonings are according to you. Alright, I haven't used this yet. Do some pepper. And salt. You'll see I got pepper in my salt already. Alright, let's... Oh, I should have got a bigger pan. Oh well. It's like Jaws. We're going to need a bigger boat. Do one more go round with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Now I'm going to use this. There's probably going to be some olive oil at the bottom. Whenever I pour this out on the pan, I'll just pour that over. Alright, got my pan. You don't need grease or nothing because this is olive oil. I was worried the pan was going to be too big. Alright, they're supposed to be cubes, but mine ended up looking like triangles, but hey, that's okay. Try and get them so they're not on top of each other. Okay, you want to put these in the oven. They're going to stay in there for about 25-30 minutes. But about halfway through, I'm going to come back and flip them over. Be right back. Okay, guys, these are done. I did turn them halfway. But as being a cook, I like to change things up. And if you follow me on YouTube, you will know my favorite flavors, and I do a lot of it, is garlic Parmesan. Let me show you that these are very pork tender. Whew. So I'm going to turn everything off, but I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese on it and stick it back in the oven for a few minutes. So that it melts. Alright, I'm going to leave this in for a few minutes. I'll bring you back when I got it plated up. Alright, here you go, they're done. And the Parmesan cheese is melted. Can't wait to bite into these. Well, that's going to be a wrap for this one. I appreciate you watching me. If you really liked it, give me a big thumbs up. And to my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. And any new subscribers, take a look around and see what you like. I cook a lot of different things for all different levels of cooks. I try to provide the best instructions I can think of. So, check it out and give me a and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good one. Bye.